Welcome to Tea Time Solutions.
Now let us do muscle power gym with problem 2 of exercise 13.1 statistics. Right. In this problem, they are asking us to calculate mean daily wages of the workers of a factory. And since they are asking us to calculate mean, we have three different options or three different methods to calculate mean. But in the given problem, the values are very big numbers. So I would like to do this problem using step deviation method so that our numbers will become very small and simple. Since the given data is in the horizontal form, first of all, let us arrange this data in this vertical form. And you have now class intervals and frequency. First, let us add all these frequencies so that we will get sigma fi is equals to 50. The second step, next thing we have to do is class mark we need to find out. In our previous video also we have discussed how to get class mark. See, first class interval 500 and 520. 500 to 520 we have. So 500 plus 520 by 2 if you calculate you will get 510. So this 510 we have written here as a class mark. Second class interval 520 and upper limit is 540. So 520 plus 540 by 2 you will get 530, and this 530 we have written here as a class mark. Like that, for every class interval we need to write class marks. Since we decided to calculate mean using step deviation method, we need to select one of these xi values as a assumed mean. So I am selecting 550 as assumed mean for these xi values or for this given data. So now what is our next step? We need to calculate di. How to calculate? You know that di is equals to xi minus a, and here xi value is 550, sorry 510, and we have selected a as 550. So 510 minus 550 you will get minus 40, and this minus 40 we need to write here. Now let us calculate here for this second row. Xi value is 530 and we have selected 550 as our assumed mean, and after subtraction you will get minus 20, and this minus 20 we have written here. In the same manner we need to calculate and write all other di values in this column. Now we need to calculate ui values using these di values. So how to calculate? Let us see. Here we have di value minus 40 and height of the class is 20. So minus 40 by 20 is equals to minus 2. This is what we have written here. And similarly here minus 20 is the di value and height of the class is again 20. So we will get minus 1. So this minus 1 we have written here. In the same manner, you need to calculate remaining ui values. Here, you might be getting doubt how to calculate height of the class. See here class interval. This is the class interval 500 to 520. So if you subtract 520 minus 500, you will get 20. So this 20 is the height of the class. Now we reached almost the climax part. In this climax part, we need to multiply fi and ui values, and after that we need to write here. So fi value 12 and ui value minus 2. So 12 into minus 2 is equals to minus 24. That is what we need to write here. Similarly, 14 into minus 1 is equals to minus 14, and 8 is into 0 is equals to 0. So this is how we will get values after multiplication of these values with these values. Now we have all the required values to calculate mean using step deviation method, and these highlighted values are required to calculate mean, and let us substitute those values and simplify so that we can get mean. A is equals to 550 we have here, and sigma fi we have minus 12 here, and sigma fi value 50 into h value 20, and all these values we have written here on top of the formula. Now if you simplify further, 550 plus 0 0 cancel, so what is left? Minus 12 minus 12 into 2, so that will give us minus 24 by 5 here in the bracket. And if you remove bracket, 550 plus into minus minus, so 550 minus 24 by 5. And if you take LCM, that is 5, so that you need to multiply 550 into 5, you will get 2750 minus 24. And after subtraction, you will get 2726 by 5. And if you divide this number with 5, you will get 545.2. So this is the mean using step deviation method. And why did we calculate this mean? We have calculated to get daily wages of the workers. Average daily wages, mean daily wages of the workers is equals to 545.2 rupees. Hope you understood the solution to calculate mean daily wages of the workers, and we are providing worksheet which you can see on the screen to help you and to save your time and health. So please take printout and practice well. Thanks for watching and learning. Have a nice day.